Hello everyone!
This is a really special video today because, as you can see, I have my husband James with me.
Hi.
Today we're going to share with you the contents of an ACDC Rag Lucky Pack. Because for this year, well, last year technically, for Christmas, rather than buying each other gifts, we just had a budget that we spent, and James spent part of his on this ACDC Rag Lucky Pack, and we want to show you what's in it. So first we're going to show you the items that don't fit him, don't fit me, because they are quite tiny. First of all, we got some shiny red leggings, and I keep saying we, technically he got them.
Yeah, I'll wear them later.
And then we also got some shiny pink floofy pants.
Unfortunately, don't fit, but
They're pretty shiny.
Christmas, you know, maybe.
They are almost the right color. Pink, not red, but hey. Then we got, and again I keep saying we when I should have said he, but oh well. These
Adorable, floofy little shorts, but again, unfortunately too small. But, well, I mean, you'll see what I do with it.
And then, in terms of small items, we also got this, which we actually haven't opened yet. We're pretty sure it's a
Like reusable
bag, but we should actually open it for the first time, to be really honest. Ooh, that's not bad.
Cute, so candy and adorable.
Yeah, it's a decent size. It's pretty cute, so.
Awesome.
And we also got, and I'm going to stop apologizing for saying we, it's just happening.
Yeah, just, you know, say it a few more times all together.
I didn't fall for it. I normally fall for it. Anyway, this cute little orange petticoat tutu.
Yeah.
It's pretty adorable, but not really usable.
Miscellaneous items that I will be keeping. Well, besides the bag.
This majestic tie.
Really pretty. Don't know where I'll wear it for. There's no way I'm getting rid of it.
Oh no,
Like,
it's too gorgeous.
This is mine. Something will come along and I'll go, I have the perfect thing for this. So yeah, cute.
And then, in the terms of actual big items, first of all, this delightful shirt that he's wearing, which I like it.
Me too.
I think it really suits you. And then, also, this Evangelion themed shirt.
If we play the theme, do we have to pay royalties?
Probably,
No.
yeah.
You know what it is. Yeah.
But yeah, it's exactly the same sizing as the shirt that he's currently wearing, so it's, you know, nice, cute, fits, looks good. And then, a slightly more unusual shirt, if you would, honey, is this,
Kind of like Panda Harlequin.
yeah, panda crop top with dingle dongles at the bottom. It's weird, but it's kind of fun. Yeah. Now, we did get another item in this lucky pack that we're not showing in this video because James sold it to a friend of ours for her partner recently anyway. So I will flash up with the wonders of editing a picture of that shirt. Pretty cool, but you know, didn't really have much use for it, so went to a better home. Last, but certainly not least, because this is both of our favorite item in this bag, James got
Cuddly jumper of awesomeness.
It's so delightful and oversized and
cuddly.
And he looks so cute in it. But yeah, like, I mean, I'm wearing an ACDC Rag hoodie that we got a while ago, and so we get to be hoodie buddies.
Yeah.
Though he's gonna be the cuter one. It's kind of, this is the problem with buying this man clothes, is you end up being cuter than me. Those are the 10 items that we got in this lucky bag. I completely didn't mention it at the start, but it was a 5,000 yen bag because we're overseas customers, no tax was added. Shipping was a bit of a bitch, but shipping is always a bit of a bitch. I shouldn't be saying bitch because I'm gonna have to censor it out, but oh well. So all in all,
Totally worth it.
Yeah.
Like really nice.
yeah, and as you can see, he looks delightful in the shirts. So basically, he got two good shirts and a hoodie out of it, plus, you know, a tie, which we're not really tie-wearing people, but it's still pretty cool. A bag, which will be handy, and some miscellaneous items that can go into the model wardrobe or sell, or we can give to our niece, or even something. But yeah, all in all, this year's lucky bags from ACDC Rag were really worthwhile, and we enjoyed sharing this one with you. So, until next time, bye-bye!
Bye!
Alright.
Is it on? Is it in yet?
You know all about that. I'm not good at being passing on camera.
Yeah. Hello!
Alright. Hello everyone! I lost my line. Okay, let's do it again.
Hello everyone. Line.
This is why we end up with so many bloopers. You're distracting me with your cuteness.
My fault again?
You're a delight. Alright. Hello.
Nothing. Not talking about how you'll beat me later for that one.
I love you. I promise I don't.
Not
I
off.
don't beat him. I do beat him off though, but that's.
That's video too.
Alright. Okay.
Hi everyone. Hello.
Hi everyone. And as he just said, hi everyone.
How about
Okay.
I will do the introduction. Turn. Hi everyone.
Sorry.
Line.
Okay, we're gonna hold you like this. Hi everyone! This is like the 10th time we've tried to film this intro because he's a ham and he keeps throwing me off. But anyway, this is a really special video because I get to do it with my delightful husband.
What's a Vizio?
Alright, okay.
Anyway.
Alright, okay, hang on. Okay, we're gonna start a clean take. You just stand here and look pretty.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, hello.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Hello
Hi everyone.
This is a really special video that I get to share with you today because as you can see, I have my husband James. So this video is to share with you the context of it.